Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, stock number 6407. This ran from 11th 2017 to the current shape. It has a 4B40 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is the 4B40 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,